In this video, I will show you how to create a Solflare wallet. So to do this, first you can just go and download the Solflare app, or you can download the Chrome extension. After doing that and first opening it up, you will see something like this. From here, just click on Create New Wallet or continue with your ledger or keystone. Now I'm just going to click Create New Wallet, and then your recovery phrase is a backup key for your wallet, and it will then show it. Then after doing that, you can enter a new passcode for your account to actually sign in with, and then confirm it. Then you can enable biometrics if you want. And then after doing that, you can see I have now successfully created my Solflare wallet. I can now get my wallet address right here, and I can now use it. So now you know how to create a Solflare wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.